Learn with us 20 interesting daily geography facts about the world. Please like and subscribe. 1. Portugal's Azores Islands, a group of volcanic islands in the Atlantic, known for their lush landscapes, crater lakes, and whale watching. 2. Iceland's Blue Lagoon, a geothermal spa with milky blue waters, rich in minerals, offering a relaxing otherworldly experience. 3. Ethiopia's Simien Mountains, dramatic mountain landscapes with deep valleys, steep cliffs, and home to unique wildlife like the Gelada baboons. 4. Bolivia's Laguna, Colorada, a red-colored salt lake in the Andes, surrounded by mountains and home to large flocks of flamingos. 5. Switzerland's Matterhorn, one of the most famous mountains in the Alps, with a distinct pyramid shape that attracts climbers and photographers. 6. USA's Great Smoky Mountains, a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its misty peaks, diverse plant life, and stunning fall foliage. 7. Zimbabwe's Victoria Falls, one of the largest and most famous waterfalls in the world, known locally as the Smoke That Thunders. 8. Malta's Blue Grotto, a series of sea caves with dazzling blue waters, perfect for boat tours and snorkeling. 9. Chile's Marble Caves, stunning natural caves carved by water, with swirling marble patterns reflected in the turquoise waters of Lake General Carrera. 10. Finland's Colli National Park, famous for its panoramic views of forests and lakes, a cultural landscape celebrated in Finnish art and folklore. 11. Mexico's Monarch Butterfly Reserve. Millions of Monarch 1 butterflies migrate here annually, creating a stunning spectacle in the forests of Michoacán. 12. Norway's Karagbotn, a giant boulder wedged between two cliffs, offering daring visitors a thrilling photo spot 1,000 meters above a fjord. 13. South Africa's Drakensberg Mountains, known for their dramatic cliffs and rock art left by the indigenous San people. 14. Italy's Sardinia, famous for its rugged coastline, turquoise waters, and ancient Nuraga stone structures. 15. Saudi Arabia's Al Ula, home to dramatic rock formations and ancient Nabatean tombs, often compared to Petra in Jordan. 16. France's Mont Saint-Michel, a medieval island commune with a stunning abbey that appears to float during high tide. 17. New Zealand's Fiordland National Park, known for its dramatic fjords, waterfalls, and lush rainforests, including the famous Milford and Doubtful Sounds. 18. Argentina's Mount Fitzroy, a stunning mountain in Patagonia, known for its jagged peaks and challenging climbing routes. 19. India's Dal Lake, a picturesque lake in Kashmir, famous for its floating gardens, houseboats, and surrounding Himalayan scenery. 20. Gabon's Loango National Park, a unique African wilderness where you can spot elephants, hippos, and other wildlife roaming on beaches,